In the past few months, IT stocks have been under severe pressure due to panic of recession. The performance of IT stocks is inversely proportional to the rupee. Now, when the rupee falls, IT stocks rise upwards. However, this is not the case this time. Many IT stocks have fallen sharply and have not recovered. IT index sector is at yearly low, and giant stocks like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, HCL are also near their 52-year low mark. Now, in this video, some of the reasons for the fall in IT sector of India is explained. First is most of the earnings of Indian companies are from their global clients. And since the global markets have been in a downtrend for a long time now, the IT companies have faced the most pressure due to downfall. Now, say since the global markets are falling, the IT sector is performing directly proportional to it. Second is with the rising interest rates in US and European countries, the fear of recession is constantly haunting them. This bearish sentiment has affected the performance of many global companies, causing a fall in their revenue, sales and their growth prospects. Until the clouds of recession clear, IT companies are expected to remain under pressure. Also, the Russia-Ukraine war has constantly put global markets under pressure. The rising inflation due to the war is another cause of worry for the market. Now, the global markets have been under pressure since the war started. And I don't know why it's lasting so much long. This fall in global markets due to war has also triggered a fall in Indian IT markets. Now, the above reasons were some of the main reasons for the downfall in Indian IT stocks or Indian market. The global sentiment shall further determine the direction of IT stocks in coming days. If things get better, we may see a good bounce back in the stocks in coming days. But, if you are a long-term investor, these short-term falls shouldn't affect you much. Just chill with a popcorn and a coke and sit back and watch a movie. As always, have a great Sunday and rest of week. I'll catch you in the next.